In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sticky notes on Windows 11. It's a handy tool for jotting down quick reminders, creating to-do lists, or just keeping track of thoughts and ideas without the need for paper. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of sticky notes on your PC. First, let's look at how you can open sticky notes using the Start menu. Begin by heading to your Start menu, which you can easily access by clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search box here, type Sticky Notes. This should immediately bring up the app in your search results. Simply click to open it, and you'll find yourself ready to start creating notes. An alternative way to open sticky notes is through the search feature. Start by pressing the Windows and S keys on your keyboard simultaneously. This quick shortcut will open the Windows search bar. Now type Sticky Notes into the search field and press Enter. This will launch the Sticky Notes application, offering the same functionality as before. Once you have Sticky Notes open, let's create a new note. You'll see a small window with any existing notes you might have. To add a new one, look for the plus sign, also known as the New Note button, typically located at the top corner of the app window. Click on this symbol and a fresh note will appear. You can start typing your thoughts immediately. One excellent feature of Sticky Notes is that it saves your notes automatically as you type, so there's no need to worry about saving your entries manually. Everything you jot down is safely stored without any extra steps. To add a touch of personalization or to help you organize your notes more visually, you can change the color of each note. This can be especially useful if you want to categorize different types of tasks or reminders. To do this, look for the three-dot menu, usually found at the top right of your note. Click on it, and you'll see several color options you can choose from, such as yellow, green, blue, pink, purple, and gray. Select the color that best suits your needs or mood. Now, if you ever feel like your note is too small or big, you can easily resize it. Simply move your cursor to an edge or corner of the note. You'll notice a double-headed arrow appears. Click and drag to adjust the note to your desired size. This flexibility ensures that your notes are always comfortable to read, regardless of how much text you have. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the essential skills to manage your notes. Notes efficiently on Windows 11. Feel free to explore and customize your sticky notes to suit your style and workflow. Happy note-taking!